Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Muskan and I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the prior notification. So today's video is all about the basic requirement for cabin crew job. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first one is age. The first requirement for a cabin crew job is your age. You need to be 18 or above. For domestic airline जो minimum age requirement है वो है 18 and for international it's 21. तो अगर आपकी age 18 या फिर 18 plus है then you are good to go for the interview. Second one is your height and weight. Usually all airlines require cabin crew to be in between 5.3 inches to 6.3 inches tall for female and for male it's 5.7 inches or above. एंड वेट के लिए यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट योर BMI. जो नॉर्मल BMI होता है वो 18.5 से 24.9 के बीच में होता है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर हाइट एंड वेट अगर आपका BMI 18.5 से 24.9 के बीच में आ रहा है देन इट्स नॉर्मल, इट्स परफेक्ट. बट अगर आपका BMI 18.5 से कम है तो आप अंडर वेट हो एंड अगर 24.9 से ज़्यादा है तो आप ओवर वेट हो. प्लीज़ चेक योर BMI बिफोर गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू. Now the third one is your education and qualification. You are eligible for cabin crew job if you have completed your 12th and you are 18. Now there is no need to do any air hostess course from any institute or academy. It's not at all mandatory. Because कोई भी recruiter आपसे नहीं पूछेगा कि आपने कोई कोर्स किया है या फिर नहीं किया है. But still अगर आप अभी कर रहे हो तो it's totally fine. Fourth one is languages. All the airlines in India and all the domestic airlines require that you should know English and Hindi language. But अगर आपको हिंदी properly नहीं आती है, at least you should know the basic Hindi. But for English you should be fluent. They want fluency in English. So both these languages are required for cabin crew jobs. So the fifth one is no visible scar, mark or tattoo. So no tattoo, scar, mark is acceptable for cabin crew job. If you have any tattoo जो कि like you know visible है आपके हाथ पे या फिर legs पे या फिर neck पे कोई भी visible tattoo है then it is a problem. But if your tattoo is covered, it is not visible, then it's totally fine. But if you have any tattoo which is like on your visible part, I will suggest you to remove it or treat it first. Scar, it depends on the size and the color of the scar. But अगर वो ज़्यादा visible नहीं है then leave it, it is totally fine. But अगर वो ज़्यादा visible है then apply concealer. This is the least you can do for it. The sixth one is physically fit. You need to be physically fit and fine for this job. If you are suffering from any major disease or something, you need to treat yourself first before going for an interview because you can't take your health for granted. So the seventh one is swimming. So if you're planning to join an international airline, then you should know swimming because swimming is mandatory in all the international airlines. The eighth one is pleasant personality. By that I mean if you're going for an interview, look presentable, groom well because that's the thing they will notice. And the second most important thing is that behave well because you know the time you step into the interview venue, everyone will notice you, the way you talk, the way you walk. So always behave well when you are going for an interview. These are the basic requirements which you have to keep in mind if you are preparing for an cabin crew job. So this is all for today, and if you want me to make another video, please comment below in the comment section and please like and share this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.